Hi guys, so if you have pasted some data in Google Sheets and it's not in your desired format, sometimes you want to split text and want to put it in a different column. So let's say you have copied this data of names and you want this first word to be in this column and second word to be in another column. So what you will do, you will just select the whole column, click on data, and then click on split text to columns. And now here you will get a separator. The default option is detect automatically, otherwise click on it. And since space is a separator between these two, just click on it and that's it. It will be split into two different columns. If there are commas, let's say you have a comma within data, okay, and you want to split, then what you will do, you will select that amount of data which you want to split to different column and just click on data, click on split text to columns and just click on comma. Okay, and you can see this has been splitted into different sheets. Thanks for watching.